Yeah, welcome again, guys. It's me, Deriv, and this video is. But today, let's talk more today on trend lines. So I'm going to explain to you trend lines today. It's not a part of the course, or I'm included in the course, but let's just talk mainly on trend lines. Now, this is V50S, and today is May the 5th. 12 o'clock, seeing it here. Look at where this 2-pointer arrow is showing. Look at it. So yeah, this is something I've analyzed, and then within the past few weeks we've taken a lot of trades from this place, but I'm going to delete it all. I'm going to delete everything, and then I'm going to explain again step by step medium and ways to execute markets perfectly. So I'll delete the videos. I'll delete the trend lines that I've added quite already. I'll delete all the trend lines I've added already. Delete the trend lines I've added already. Remember that the sole purpose of this mentorship group is that we almost have known stuffs about forex market, how to trade it effectively, and how to make money from it. Let me go to a lower time frame so that I'll see these ones very well. Okay, I think we are done. Yeah, we are done. So we're going to start now. One of the things I sent earlier to the group on price action analysis and how to trade the market, I first said that when you have situations like this and you want to understand what is happening in the market, you first of all go to the higher time frame and find the overall trend of the market. First of all, go to higher time frame and find the overall trend of the market, and that's what we're going to do now. This day one. Remember once again that higher time frame comprises of the day one, the H4, and the H1 time frame. These are higher time frames: day one, H4, and then the H1 time frame. And then the lower time frame is the M1, M5, and the M15 time frame. Then the intermediate time frame is the 15-minute time frame. I'll go again. Higher time frame, day one. The higher time frame that we normally use, this 1 week time frame and 1 month time frame, we don't normally use it. I've not used it to analyze, and is never used to analyze, because it shows you rather a small percentage of what the market has been, of what the market has done. So it's not really used to analyze the market. But higher time frame that we use for analysis is the H1, the H4, and the day one time frame. That is the H1 standing for the 1 hour time frame, the H4 standing for the 4 hours time frame, and the D1 standing for the 1 day time frame. Meaning that one candlestick appear in 24 hours for day one. One candlestick appear in 1 hour for H1. One candlestick appear in H4 in 4 hours for H4. This is what I mean. This is one candlestick. One candlestick here. This is day one. This one candlestick. Look at where the cross is starting. The red candlestick that my intersection cross and then identifier is starting is on. This candlestick is formed in 1 day because I'm in day one time frame. Then if I go to 1 hour time frame, this candlestick is formed in 1 hour. So that's it. For higher time frames, day one, H4, H1. For lower time frames, M5, M1, M5, M15. Then M30 is the intermediate time frame. That's the one in between the higher time frame and then the lower time frame. Good. Let's just quickly analyze the market so that you know what will happen. Good. So I go to my trend lines. Of course, you've seen that this is a trending market. I first of all want to find the overall trend of the market. I remember how I've said we used to draw trend lines. You go to the one that is top left, the cliff of the one that is top left, down to the cliff of the one that is top down. is what I mean. I'm connecting this right now. Okay, yeah, connecting this to this. Yeah, this is what we have. Just watch as I draw it. Watch as I draw it. I don't think there's any other. Okay, I think this can go. Okay, as you can see, it cannot go. I cannot just use 2 to identify a market range, 2 and above. But most especially, most importantly, when your trend line is reaching up to 3 cliffs, then the market is set for something good. So I can't draw this. It doesn't work like that. It's not connecting. So yes, this is my higher time frame. I want to see the overall trend of the market here, and as you can see, the market is actually on a downtrend on the higher time frame. Go to H4. I'm seeing it much better. You look for opportunities. If you can note something in the H4, I'm seeing nothing. Go to the H1. You can see the more I am coming close, the more things are happening. Let's go to the 15 minutes candlestick. Okay, the M30. Okay, the H1. So what is this telling you? This is telling me that this market is here, and then this market is meant to buy all the way up to this place. But remember, you don't just go with one confirmation. You must look for other confirmations in the market to be able to make your trade and trade perfectly well. So let's go to other time frames to know if we can see confirmations to what we've said. Know if we can see confirmation to what we've said. So okay. The market broke out there, and then it changed trend to a high trend. Okay, good. Now this is it. After drawing what I have to draw in the higher time frame in the day 1, I'm coming down and down to draw others. Okay, now this is what we have. Perfect. Now go to the 15 minutes. Now listen up, let me explain something very well now. In my day 1 time frame, according to this line, look at where this that arrow is coming from. According to this line that I've drawn here, this market is meant to go up, but I'm not going to buy it yet because I need other confirmations that will align and agree that the market is going to go up. You don't just trade the market when you see one confirmation. No, look for other confirmations, if possible 2, 3, 4. The higher the higher the number of confirmations, the higher your chances of having a profitable market. So I go to H1 and then I drew this. As you can see, I drew this, connecting this and this and this, connecting this here and all this. And then from what I'm having here, is also telling me that this market is supposed to go up. That's a second confirmation. Now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes. Let me know if I can draw something in 30 minutes. Okay. So the market is agreeing. As you can see, this is another confirmation. Look at what I drew from all the way to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. So this market is accepting and agreeing that yes, it is ready to go up. And also, as you can see, this is a double bottom formed. Let's look at it in H1. This is a double bottom formed here. Look at this. Look at where this intersection of my indicator line, this line I'm using as indicator to indicate what's happening. Look at where it is a double top, a double bottom formed here. So of course this market is expected to move all the way up and then to hit a TP of here, unless of course it breaks, through this double bottom that has been formed. But I don't see the possibility of it breaking through the double bottom. So let's go to 15 minutes to know if we can find other insightful and good. Okay, but already we know that the market is meant to buy. Now what I would do, or what scalpers will do to this market, is this. Look up. Now they're going to buy it here and then it will go all the way up, and they will take their profits here. Are you hearing me? They'll take the profit here, and then once there's a breakout of this line, look at this line. Once there's a breakout of this line, that's if this market if the candlestick should go higher than this, then it may reach here or somewhere around there and then retest back to this place. Then they will buy again, and then they will buy for long, and then they will buy the market and allow it to go all the way here as TP, and then they will make a whole lot of money. So this is how to analyze a market. Careful analysis of a market done perfectly like this. Stay tuned for more of our videos. I'm working on compiling a lot of price action patterns, working on it, and it's going to be out for the mentorship group quite very soon. So thank you. This is Milk Deriv. Remember to tell your friends and your families about Milk Deriv and the wonders that's happening here. We've grown lots of accounts in Milk Deriv, and we are doing a lot of good things in Milk Deriv. Thank you very much. And then I'd like to say that this video is specially made for the mentorship class of Milk Deriv. Please do not share this video to anyone. I'm not posting it on my YouTube channel. I'm not posting it on my Facebook. I'm not posting it on my Instagram. Hashtag name is Forex Volatility Indices. I'm not going to post it there. Facebook Forex and Forex Volatility Indices and Boom and Crash. I'm not going to post it there. YouTube Let's Milk Deriv group I'm not going to post it there. Telegram, I'm only going to give it specially to the mentorship class. Please, nobody should share this video. It's specially made for the mentorship class, for those who paid for the knowledge and who are willing to get the knowledge. Thank you very much.